Hello friends, welcome back to the channel GK and Coding Hub. I am your friend Advait and in this video I am going to tell you about the circulatory system of the human body. So let's check it out. The circulatory system is divided into the lymphatic and cardiovascular system. The circulatory system is an organ system that permits blood to circulate and transport nutrients such as amino acids and electrolytes, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hormones, and other blood cells to and from the cells in the body to provide nourishment and help in fighting diseases, stabilize temperature, and maintain homeostasis. The circulatory system includes the lymphatic system, which also circulates lymph. The cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is the part of the circulatory system which consists of blood vessels, that is, arteries, veins, and capillaries. The movement of the blood through the blood vessels makes up the cardiovascular system of the body. Blood. The blood is a red color liquid in humans and animals that delivers necessary substance such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. The blood constitutes about 7 to 8% of the human body. The heart is a muscular organ which continuously pumps throughout the life of a human being. The human heart is made up of special muscles known as cardiac muscles. It is the size of a closed fist and is located inside the pericardial sac. The pericardial sac is filled with a fluid called the pericardial fluid. The pericardial fluid provides lubrication to the cardiac muscles during the contraction and relaxation of the heart. The wall of the heart is made up of three muscular layers: the endocardium, epicardium, and myocardium. The outermost layer is the epicardium, the middle layer is the myocardium, and the innermost layer is the endocardium. The heart is divided by the septum into two halves. The heart is a four-chambered organ. The upper chambers are called the auricles or atrium, and the lower chambers are called the ventricles. The heart consists of valves. The valves are meant to prevent the backflow of blood. There are two types of valves: semilunar and cuspid valves. You might be wondering, from where does the blood flow through? It flows through the blood vessels. Blood vessels are of three types. They are arteries, veins, and capillaries. The arteries have thick muscular walls to withstand the pressure of the blood. All the arteries except the pulmonary artery carry oxygenated blood. The heart pumps the blood in the arteries with great pressure and the blood flows with jerks. The artery branches into smaller and smaller vessels as it leaves the heart. The aorta is the largest artery in the body and arterioles are smallest veins in the body. Veins. The veins are thin, elastic with muscular walls. All the veins except the pulmonary vein carry deoxygenated blood. The lumen of these veins are wider than that of arteries. The pressure in veins is much lower than that of arteries as the blood flows smoothly through the veins. Veins have valves so that the blood doesn't flow backwards. The superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava are the largest veins in the body. The venules are the smallest veins in the body. Capillaries. The capillaries are blood vessels that are extremely thin and form a connection between arteries, arterioles, veins, and venules. Exchange of nutrients, gases, waste products between these cells and the blood take place in the capillaries. Now we will head to the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system or lymphoid system is an organ system in humans that is part of both circulatory system and the immune system. It is made up of large network of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, etc. The lymph is a liquid made up of mainly water and white blood cells. The lymph is formed of the excess fluid drained in the tissues. It is filtered by glands like spleen, thymus, and lymph nodes. The primary or central lymphoid organs generate lymphocytes or white blood cells. The thymus and the bone marrow constitute the primary lymphatic organs involved in the production and early clonal section of lymphocyte tissues. The thymus increases in size from birth in response to postnatal and antigen stimulation. It is most active during the neonatal and pre-adolescent periods. The loss or lack of the thymus results in less immunity and a person becomes prone to infections. The bone marrow is responsible for both the creation of T cell precursors and the production and maturation of B cells, which are important cell types of the immune system. From the bone marrow, B cells immediately join the circulatory system and travel to secondary lymphatic organs in search of pathogens. So that's it for today, friends. Hope this video gave you a lot of information about the human circulatory system. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell on all notifications. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.